Hey, this is John from Mopar RestorationParts.com. This is day 5 or 15, it's hard to tell, on this 76 or 75 Apollo. I managed after about 4 or 5 hours to change the upper radiator hose. I'm underneath, I got the lower, upper, lower, all the heater hoses done. I need to do the transmission pan, which I've gotten off already. It looks pretty dark, so keep our fingers crossed that maybe it's just a time thing, who knows. But anyway, I'll be back with you. We've done quite a few things, and I'll try to cover those when I get a little more time. Right now it's all hands on deck, transmission fluid everywhere. So anyway, you can kind of see the new hose in there, new coil. I got the carburetor I got to still put on before I can run it. It's looking more like a work zone than it is a motorhome, but that'll hopefully change soon. It's a lot of work on these things, and I'm not actually sure I'll be able to finish it on this particular trip. My attentions are needed at home. I'm 2,000 miles away, so it's something I got to do. So I put new vents in it. You can see these work now. The other ones were totally trash and pretty soon to leak. Got one in here. You can see the new vent on top there. So I got them open now. Beautiful, hot, sunny Southern California. 103 or 4 degrees the last few days. Now today is supposed to be only around 90, so it's like a cool front. But you can see this thing's not too bad looking inside. You see why somebody would do something crazy like this. But the distance is kind of a killer. I don't know if I had to do it again. I look at the time and the distance and just the cost of all that stuff, and I probably could have found a project this bad where I lived. So we're going to keep trucking along because that's what we're doing. Hope you guys have enjoyed this so far. I'd love to document the trip back home and all the trials, and hopefully not too many tribulations that I run into. But it's been an adventure. I've got another day or so on this, and I'm heading back home to Mama. So this is John, Mopar RestorationParts.com. I'll update a few things at the end of the day, and we'll keep trucking along. Glad you're watching and keeping up with me. Talk to you later.